अपना स्पीच गीता के एक श्लोक से शुरू करना चाहूँगा। तेषां एवं परमार्थम अहम अज्ञानजं तमः नाशयमात्म भावस्तो ज्ञान दीपेन भास्वतः। गीता 10वां अध्याय श्लोक 11। इसमें श्री कृष्ण भगवान अर्जुन से कहते हैं, हे अर्जुन, मैं अपने भक्तों के प्रति दया करता हूँ और उनके हृदय में निवास करता हूँ। मैं ज्ञान के प्रकाशमान दीपक से उनके अज्ञान से उत्पन्न हुई अंधकार को नाश करता हूं तथा उनकी आत्मा
ठीक है ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed cardiologists, medical professionals, distinguished guests and friends, it's indeed an honor to stand before you as a patron of this important conference. Today we come together to discuss the critical issue of cardiovascular disease and its impact on our beloved country, India. India is a nation of great diversity and boundless potential. Our country, a melting pot of cultures, religions and languages, has shown the world that we are united in our pursuit of progress, prosperity and peace. Despite our challenges, we have emerged as a leading force in the global medical community, and it's our responsibility to continue to push the boundaries to expertise and enhance the well-being of our people. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of mortality in India, and it will claim the life of more than 1 out of every 4 people. This alarming statistics underscores the need for us to come together as the medical professionals to discuss the ways to address the healthcare needs of the most unserved communities. As leaders in the community, we gather here today in the heart of Bihar to recognize the tremendous strides we have made in this great state. Our resilience and determination have helped us emerge as a beacon of hope and progress. We are proud of the work done by the medical community in Muzaffarpur. Muzaffarpur, a city of rich history and vibrant culture, is the forefront of this change. Our medical institutions, including Prashant Hospital, are leading the way in providing world-class health care to the people of this province. We are driven by our core values of selfless service, integrity and trust, ensuring that we deliver the highest quality of care to our patients. It is these values that will guide us as we continue to build a healthier future for our people. According to the recent statistics, India has over 70,000 cardiologists, yet only 5% are working in the rural and the semi-urban areas. That amounts to only 7%. This imbalance highlights the importance of the conferences like this one, and we can discuss ways to bridge the gap between the urban and the rural healthcare, ensuring that every citizen has access to the best medical care possible. Prashant Hospital, we have always believed in power of innovation and collaboration. By working closely with medical professionals from various disciplines, we have been able to develop cutting-edge treatments and techniques that have transformed the lives of countless people. We understand by working together we can achieve far more than we could ever alone. As we look into the future, let us remember the words of Mahatma Gandhi, "You must be the change you wish to see in the world." I would also like to quote another quote by Swami Vivekananda. "A few heart-whole, sincere and energetic men and women can do more than in a year a mob in a country." Each and every one of us in this room has a potential to drive positive change in our communities and beyond. As leaders in the field of cardiology, we must come together to tackle the challenges we face and create a healthier and a more equitable world for all. In closing, I urge you to embrace the spirit of collaboration and innovation that defines our medical community. Let's use our knowledge, skills, passion to make real difference in lives of fellow citizens. Together, we can transform India into a shining example of what can be achieved when dedicated professionals unite for greater good. Thank you, and you may also have a fruitful and inspiring cardiac conference. Thank you, gentlemen, and Jai Hind.